Welcome to Ablon Public School at Home. I am Yasir, your EVS teacher. As in the previous video, we have learned about levers. Okay. Now, dear students, in this video, I will explain to you all about types of levers. Okay. But before we start the topic, let's learn some good manners. Here, dear students, I am sharing few good manners for your daily life. These good manners you can use in your daily life with parents, friends, teachers, team. Okay. So, dear students, good manners are please, thank you, excuse me, I am sorry, you are welcome, yes ma'am, no sir, may I, nice to meet you. So, dear student, these are some good manners which I am sharing with you all. You can create your good image in your society, in your family, in your friends by using these kind of good manners. Okay, use these good manners in appropriate chatting. Okay. Dear students, when you practice good manners, you are showing those around you that you are respectful and considerate of their feelings. Treating others with the respect also encourage them to treat you with the same respect and consideration. Okay, dear students. Now, let's get back to the topic, types of levers. Dear student, there are mainly three kinds of levers. In a lever, if we change the position of effort, load and fulcrum, it can change the function based on the position of these three parts. Okay. So, dear students, mainly the types of levers are three. Number one is first order levers, number two is second order levers, and number three is third order levers. These are main three types of levers. Now, dear students, I will explain to you all first order levers. When the fulcrum is between the effort and the load in a lever, it is called a first term lever. In this kind of lever, the fulcrum change the direction of force applied. As we can see in the figure, when the man pushes the rod down, the box is lifted up, which means instead of applying force to lift the box up, the man is applying the force to push the rod down, right? The small triangular block acts as the fulcrum between the effort and the load and changes the push into lift. Okay, dear students, by looking this pictograph you can understand, okay, how it is being lifted. Here a man pushing, and in between the fulcrum there is a stone available, and that man is pushing down to lift that load up, right? Now, see one more example of first order lever. Here is scissor, dear students. Similarly, fulcrum is in between, load is in front, and effort is applying by the end. Okay, this part. So, dear student, this was another example of first order lever. Now, dear student, let us learn about the second order levers. If the position of the fulcrum is shifted from the center of a lever to one end, it performs a different function. If you notice a bottle opener, we apply effort on one end and the other end acts as the fulcrum and lift the bottle cap up. In this case, both the effort and the load act in the same direction. Such levers where the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort called second order levers. Now, see some example of second order levers. This is wheelbarrow. This is an example of second order levers. Nutcracker. This is an example of, this is also an example of second order lever, right, dear students? Now I am going to explain you about one example of second order levers in detail. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, see this activity breaking a walnut. How we can break walnut? We can break this walnut into two different ways, by hand and by using nutcracker. Think, dear students, which one needs lesser efforts? It takes lesser effort to break the walnut with the nutcracker using nutcracker, right, dear students? Observe the nutcracker. Where is the effort applied in it? Here. Okay, dear students. Now, let's see next question. Observe the nutcracker. Where is the load? Load is there. Walnut. Okay. See here. This is the load. Now, observe the nutcracker. Where is the fulcrum? Fulcrum, this blue screw. As you can see in the pictograph, the blue screw is fulcrum. Here. Okay. So, these three main parts of a nutcracker, basically you can say that second order levers, these are the main parts. Okay. The nutcracker is an example of second order lever where the load is in between the effort and fulcrum. Okay. I hope, dear students, you have learned about second order levers and you have also learned about first order levers. Now, dear students, move on third order levers. Dear students, I will explain to you all third order levers in the next video. Okay, dear students. So, this is all about this video. We have learned till the second order levers in this video, and in next video I will explain to you all about third order levers. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.